Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Russian forces intensify missile and drone strikes on Kyiv as Ukraine cites Patriot interceptor shortage against ballistic missiles. Russian forces intensified strikes on Kyiv over the past week, carrying out two large combined air attacks within several days. The attacks included hundreds of drones and missiles, with Ukrainian officials linking some successful strikes to a shortage of air defense missiles for Patriot systems. During the night of 1 to the 2nd of July, Russian forces launched one of the largest attacks on the Ukrainian capital, using almost 500 strike drones and 74 missiles, including 28 ballistic missiles. The attack caused damage at around 130 locations, including about 20 multi-story residential buildings and private homes. Buildings belonging to an ambulance service and a medical facility were also hit, along with a logistics center and energy infrastructure facilities. According to Russian sources cited in the input text, defense industry sites were also destroyed, including Radionics, which produces electronic components for Flamingo missiles made by Firepoint, Atlan, a drone manufacturer, and Antonov, where drones are assembled. Overall, 30 people were killed and more than 100 were wounded in the attack. The scale of damage reflected the combined use of drones, cruise missiles and ballistic missiles against the capital. A second strike on Kyiv took place during the night of 5 to the 6th of July, involving 419 means of air attack, including 29 ballistic missiles. Around 30 residential buildings were destroyed, including multi-story tower blocks. 19 people were killed under the rubble and more than 60 were wounded. In Vyshnev near Kyiv, an ammunition depot located among residential buildings was hit. The resulting explosions damaged around 100 houses, killed 7 people and wounded 29 others. Several hundred people were evacuated from the area because of the risk of another detonation. Because of the scale and consequences of the explosion, President Volodymyr Zelensky instructed the Security Service of Ukraine to clarify the circumstances of the incident. Ukrainian Air Force spokesman Yuri Inat acknowledged that the hits were the result of a serious shortage of missiles for Patriot air defense systems. Serhiy Beskresnov, an advisor to Ukraine's defense minister, also confirmed a critical shortage of missiles capable of countering ballistic missiles. The comments underlined Ukraine's continuing vulnerability to ballistic threats despite stronger performance against drones and some other types of missiles. Outside Kyiv, Zaporizhzhia has remained a target of daily attacks and is within range of destructive strikes by guided aerial bombs. A similar situation has continued in Kharkiv, where Russian forces struck with at least 7 aerial bombs on the 1st of July, killing a teenager and wounding more than 30 people. On the 5th of July, a drone attack in Kharkiv killed 3 people and wounded 16 others. In Kherson, drone strikes continued against civilian cars on the 30th of June and the 3rd of July, public transport on the 1st of July, when 2 people were killed and more than a dozen wounded, and administrative buildings on the 2nd of July. Other targets included Mykolaiv, where drone strikes hit multi-story residential buildings on the 2nd and the 4th of July, wounding 11 people. Sumy was targeted on the 4th of July, while Dnipro and Odessa were attacked on 4, the 5th and the 6th of July. According to data published by the Ukrainian Air Force Command, from the evening of the 30th of June to the morning of the 7th of July, Russian forces used a total of 1,437 strike drones and decoys. They also launched 155 cruise and ballistic missiles of various types. Ukrainian air defenses either destroyed or neutralized 1,303 such objects during the period. The figures show the scale of the air campaign and the pressure placed on Ukraine's air and missile defense network. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.